Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Look at this truck. This is the 2018 Toyota Tundra. Stock number is 7299. This is a virtual video walk around allowing you to see this truck, this Tundra, up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. This is the Platinum Edition, of course. Making our way around the passenger rear. Exterior does have a canopy, maybe if you're looking for hunting or transporting anything you might, it's going to be safe and dry. Then we're going to make our way down the driver's side here. We're going to go right into this truck in here in just a second. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. That's the sunset difference. Take notice of the interior. There's leather, absolutely impeccable condition. You know this truck is not going to last long. It's even got the moonroof. For more information on this truck or any other trucks in our inventory, do me a favor, give us a call, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day.